Good morning, beautiful person. I'm literally throwing stuff in my bag. We're leaving to Antwerp, and as well organized as I was the last time we traveled, I'm the opposite today. So I'm gonna hurry up and I'll see you later. Hello there, beautiful person. So we are back from Belgium and I'm actually on a low spend journey. So I'm trying not to spend a lot of money. I'm trying not to spend money at all when possible, with the exception that if I already booked a trip, the trip is going through and all the expenses made for the trip are good to go. I'm just trying not to make it ridiculously expensive. So we went to a chocolate factory. I actually have some footage from the chocolate factory. The chocolate that I bought, it's all vegan. I'm gonna open it up. It's really beautifully packed. Oops. This is what it looks like on the inside. I hope the chocolate doesn't fall out. This is the chocolate. And these are the names of the flavor. I also got this for free. We were walking in a mall and there was this beautiful cart of Miss Dior perfume testers, and they also sprayed it on pretty cool ribbons, but I don't see the ribbon anywhere. I think it's still in my bag. We took the car and we went to Belgium. Our hobby had to run a marathon. I don't know how many kilometers or miles that is. I'm going to put it somewhere in the screen. And my sister and I, we went into town and we basically just had dinner and we walked around. We had lunch, we walked around and we relaxed. I went to the hotel room, I think around 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. The hotel room was pretty basic but pretty clean, and the area where the hotel room was very, very, very industrial. There was nothing to see. It was near harbor, but the city of Antwerp itself is so beautiful. But they're also pretty known for their diamonds and other jewelry that's somewhat less expensive than other places in the world. So we watched some diamonds and we did some basic shopping. My niece bought some stuff like, you know, teenager stuff, clothes and makeup, and we had a pretty good weekend. So this is the hotel room. It's pretty basic. The door, the cabinet, pretty large. The drying rack thing. I'm really not sure what this is for. I call it a drying rack all the time. The entry, the bathroom, the bed, the day after. And it's just a lounge area. It's a port hotel, so there's a boat There's a tiny TV and a very industrial view. Sunrise is great anywhere you are. I enjoy watching sunrises. It means it's not a rainy day, so always a plus. Very industrial. So I have 30 minutes left before my hair is dry and we're going to breakfast. The plan is that my hubby is going with his sister to explore Antwerp, do a lot more walking, and I'm going with my sister to another town. We're going to an indoor mall, I think, and after that we're going to a large supermarket, because the supermarkets in the Netherlands are actually not really big. If you want to have everything, you have to go to different supermarkets. So we're going to try and find a huge supermarket out here, and then we're heading home and hope. And that's it for this vlog. Next weekend we are going to Dublin. After that we're back to my normal routine in the weekends in Amsterdam. I'm going to take you along with me in Amsterdam, the city, as long as COVID is behaving. So thank you for watching. I enjoyed talking to you, and I will see you soon.